Hey guys, blessed Sunday. Guys, may i-share lang ako sa inyo ba? God created hell for Satan, for him. Kasi nag-rebel siya ni God eh. So, that place is for Satan, not us, not for us. Yes, we are not bound, man, to hell because God created us in His image. So why would God send us to hell, 'di ba? Hmm? So and guys, yung choice lang talaga natin. Because God gives us free will, freedom, free choice to make a decision. And some of us, some of the people right now are choosing uh, the bad things, right? Because they have the wealth, the power, anything, and they are not focusing on eternal life. So, guys, it's our choice. Why some of the people will really go to hell? It's because of their choice. We are not going there, man. We are not bound to go there because we are Christ's perfect creation. Hindi gusto ni God na pumunta tayo doon. Kaso lang, choice natin na gumawa ng masama and gumawa ng mga idols or hindi natin wino-worship si God. So, it's really up to us because we are given freedom by God. So, choose which one. Jesus or the other one. Choose now. Decide now. The end times are near, guys.